this is a tutorial on cases, right? So I'm logged in as you. This is Jürgen. I'm going to be gone for a week. So here's what you do. You log in, you can switch to Classic. You'll see all your stuff, but it's really easier to work the whole case thing and the shipmate thing, right, from Lightning. So switch to Lightning right there. See it? Switch back to Classic right there. Switch back to Classic. Switch to Lightning. Done. Okay, now, when is this report done? This is as of 12:59 p.m. and I think it's on Eastern Standard Time. So we review the report, and then in Classic, you can just go, oh, what's other? What's the other status? And only like others appear, or this, only parts received being investigated, or only parts in transit, right? But back to this. So the way you choose the service function is these are all apps. They're called apps, and then they have the objects. So you just click on service. I click on cases. I'm going to eliminate for you a couple of these options, but go to Avanti New Cases. Here we go. This is the new status. Case entered by Avanti, right? So I'm going to make this slightly bigger, but then here we go. Case entered by Avanti. So what we do, this is today. Here we go. What's the number? Right here. You see that? So I just put in this 1005. Look for it. I look for accounts with 1005. And why is this one good? Because I entered it. I'm the owner. I data loaded all the Avanti ones. It's on 7/24, right? July 24th. It's gonna probably be this one. Just click it. Verify the number. Do you see that right there? Right. Now, let's just go back. Back arrow. Back arrow. Here's this one. And now, to get the label to fire correctly, I just do this. There you go. Let's go home. Just one more thing. Let's see if this is the right one again. 1005. Okay, back arrow. Back arrow. Now, on this record, you click related. See, there's no FedEx shipment here. You trigger this one. This one, I'm going to make conditional. So once this one is full, this one will show. So you trigger this. FedEx thing gets shipped. This is which goes out to FedEx, right? On this very one. Now we look here. There should be a FedEx shipment. Come on, we can do it. There it is. See it? Now, we change this to label sent to operator and save it. That's all you do. Next case. I'm going to eliminate these things for you. 1204. Next one. Let's just see. What is it? 131327. Let's see which one it is, which account it is. Transworld or Jackson Brothers of the South. It's Jackson Brothers. There it is. There's the Avanti store number. Let's go back. Change it. And the thing I like about Lightning is it just remembers the last file you opened. Boom. Save. Let's send them a shipment. So now we have to have this in here so that this can get the right shipping, the shipping address, you know, from to us. And then in return, we send that back to them. Perfect. Done. I know it's a little cumbersome. I've automated the you know, when it's in transit to update, but you know, case label sent to operator. Done. Let's do the last one. Sharon's new. Oh, this is the last one. Here we go. Oh, it's same one. Let's take a look. Jackson Brothers. Yep. Okay. Going to just change it in line. Right there. Edit. Delete. Jackson Brothers. Save. Send them another shipping label. No. That's done. Back. Change this from case entered. This you have to do manually right now. I'm going to write a process. If I get to it, label sent to operator. And this will also fire an email out from you. And that's all there is. Thank you so much. Again, notice the report. We want to review the report. It's going to run. What are the statuses? Working. These are the ones that are all older. Other, label sent to operator, parts received, right? Other is, what's the other status? Closed, on hold, right? Breck vending is on hold. I don't know why. That's it. Thank you so much. Again, how do you go back to Classic and work every day? This way. Have a great day. Jürgen. I will be back on 9/4, 9/3.